Site, affiliate marketing, Amazon course, meaning in Hindi, course, Flipkart programs, logo. So this is how you can get complete results. Now one more trick, how you can find your contents. What you have to do is, it's already giving you results. These are the results. See, people also search for. Google is already giving you all the things. You don't have to put your mind on this. Google बोल रहा है कि ठीक है, people are already searching for these things. You just have to copy this content and paste in your content calendar. In content, see, you are able to see all these things. So these are your content calendar. Yes, you just have to put all this content into your content calendar. Just go and copy paste. Don't do anything. So this is how things goes.